This is my Jonny boat, Bass 100. It's just a quick video because I keep seeing all these comments about the dodgy bit of steering. So yeah, I thought I'd show you how I've done mine. 10 times easier. All I've done, 2 push brake cables connected onto the pedals. At the back end, get the transom mount. These bits are already on it, so it's just simple. And as you can see, works perfect. Dead simple, dead simple. This is going to be my throttle. It's a Suzuki 2.5 4 horsepower, 2.5 4-stroke, sorry. That is just a lawnmower speed control on another brake cable coming out here, which will work the throttle once I've turned a little bit on my lathe. Garmin, UHD, I thought, why not? Transducers inside, fitted through here, a cable poked from the front there, drilled one hole for the cable to go in, pushed the wire through till I can find it here, tied the end of the transducer cable to it, pulled it back through, and that comes out in that. Hey, a marine grommet, so yeah, fully waterproof. Yeah, just works treat. The one there, actually the battery's in there, that one's for the battery. Wheels are made myself. 2 wheels, local harbour shop, aluminium tube, a 3mm wall on this. Lathed it down, 15mm copper pipe end stops. Working a treat. So yeah.